Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a short video, and I've seen some people do this on YouTube, so I thought I might want to also. Some people have done really crazy things to get views and subscribers, so that's why I'm going to be doing a 100 layer number pyramid when I hit 100 subscribers. Yeah, I'm not joking. So just in case you don't know what a number pyramid is, I'll talk a bit more about it after. So I'll show you what it is. So let's say this would be a number pyramid. So if we put a 2 and a 1 at the bottom, then at the top there's going to be a 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3. And if you want to add more layers to it, it would look something like this. Just hold on a second. Yeah, something like this. So that means this would be a 2 layer and this would be a 3 layer, because you can see the layers. And as you heard, I am going to be doing a 100 layer number pyramid. So the most layers I've ever done on a number pyramid is 20. So basically I'm going to be doing a number pyramid that's 5 times. And but these are the 2 problems. The number pyramid will take a really long time to draw, but I just figured out a trick that might make it work faster. So if you were drawing it brick by brick like this, that wouldn't be so fast. But if you drew it in bars, maybe one down here, and then you did lines, that would be a lot faster. So I might do the making the pyramid in the video. So yeah. And basically, even with my 20 layer number pyramid, just that, I got to a number that was as high as 1 million. So I'd not be smart enough to do the math, but it was 1.5 million. I don't really know. So one more thing. I thought that every other 0 my subscriber count hits, I'm gonna do a number pyramid with that much. So when I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a 100 layer. When I hit 1,000, I'm gonna do a 1,000 layer one. When I hit 10,000, I'm gonna do a 10,000 layer one. But when I hit 500, 750, I'll do other cool stuff. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. So please subscribe and maybe like too if you want. and I guess I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.